Today we are focusing on the bird dog exercise, beginner version, leg only. This is a slight step up from the arm only version. So with the bird dog, this is a fantastic core exercise. Really works on strengthening the core to really help stabilize your lower back area. So I'm going to run you through what this looks like first, and then I'm going to point out some key points. So we start on all fours. The first thing which we do is that we contract or tighten our core. So when I say contract, I don't mean suck it in, I don't mean hollow it. Literally, if somebody was going to punch you in the stomach, you would tighten that area, you would contract that area. That's what we are focusing on. So again, I'm on all fours. First thing which I do is that I contract my core, and then I'm going to push my leg out. So I'm just going to run you through this. So I'm like this, I push my leg out. I'm going to hold this position here for about 6 to 8 seconds. Then I'm going to swing it down nice and slowly, and I'm going to come up again on the same side. I'm going to hold it there again, and then I'm going to swing it down nice and slowly, and I'm going to push it out again. So I'm going to aim to do 5 repetitions, holding it 6 to 8 seconds per side. So 5 repetitions holding it 6 to 8 seconds. Now, a couple key points here. When I'm doing this, when I'm pushing my leg out, I'm not focusing on lifting it up. Oftentimes when people really focus on raising or lifting their leg, they go past horizontal and they end up twisting their lower back, which puts excessive stress on it. We want to avoid that. So literally in my mind's eye, I am focusing on pushing my leg back. As I do that, I'm also actively pushing my heel backwards. So there is an active contraction through there. All the while I am contracting my core to stabilize this. When I come down, when I swing down, I'm not touching down, I'm just swinging down nice and slowly, nice and controlled. Then I'm going up again on the same side. Again, I'm holding that for 6 to 8 seconds. After I've done 5 repetitions of that, I stop, I reset myself. So again, I'm going to contract through here, then I'm going to do the opposite side. So again, I would go up the opposite side, I'm pushing my leg back, I'm pushing my heel back, I'm holding that again, I come down nice and controlled, nice and slowly, and I go up again on that side. So I want to aim to do 5 repetitions, 3 sets of that, or 5 repetitions first set, 4 repetitions second set, 3 repetitions the third set. This should be a nice controlled, smooth motion. We do not want to have any lower back pain as we do this. If you have any pain with this, please stop, let us know. We can work on modifying this. But the key is to do this nice and slowly to contract through here. These muscles, the core muscles, they are designed to actually prevent motion. So as you're doing this, as your leg is moving, the core muscles, they are stabilizing the lumbar spine. That is what actually strengthens them. Any questions about any of this, please ask.